Welcome back today. This is 2018 BMW 5 Series G30. We changed the domain body control module, which is here, BDC. That piece here. So there's nothing. We need more lights. Yeah, this piece here. You see here, there is a piece. We put a new one. We have the original key. We have the old one also. It have water damage. This is a battery. If you notice, there is a sign of water getting here. They clean it. This is also body latch, electronic. This is the rear electrical junction. There is a sound system items here. Radio, maybe radio amplifier related to, maybe it's not anymore here. There's another module here. I don't know, this is, I'm not sure what it is, but I see here it may have water damage. Okay, I'm going to see if we can read this car. We put a computer inside. Also, if you notice, I am using 608 and I connect the extra lines in case if I need to code something. Okay, if you notice here, like ignition light is on, but now it's off. Let's see what we will be able to read. Okay, here I'm gonna go to VIN, auto detect. You know, like I connect this one not with a Bluetooth but directly from here to the scanner, and this is for the Bluetooth or the extra connection. Okay, we're gonna wait a little bit if we'll be able to read the VIN number. Yes, we read VIN number is here. So now I'm going to say okay. It will break down the information for us. G30, let me stop the music. I hear some background music, but the car left already. Okay, G30 530i B46 engine, 2010, 17, but that could be 18. I am on the street, so sometime a car pass by with their music on. Hopefully I will not get a copyright strike, but here we are connecting our information. You say turn ignition off. Now you're gonna see here, if everything is a little bit healthy, it will turn the ignition on by itself. Let me see here, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 0, it will turn the ignition on. Look here, everything come on automatically. Now it will run the test. On the test we can see all the stuff. Maybe we will not see everything, but if we are able to see the domain body. Now I'm going to go to diagnose. Auto scan. I want to scan the whole car. How many computer I can see. Sometimes you cannot see the engine. You cannot see a lot of stuff because, and also I noticed the steering is not turning. I don't know, is that because the power steering have full of water. Okay, you see we have only combo, BDC body domain, BDC central gateway. That's it. I have two, but those are the very important that maybe we need to program it. So what I need to do is I will go back. Let's see what code I have. And I click to report, window regulator, driver seat, power window, passenger, the steering. You see all this in power supply, BDC, voltage. You know, like a small code. We have a lot of permanent. You cannot clear them. You see configuration now here. You see vehicle configuration could not be read. Yeah, on the ZGM central gateway. So we're gonna try to see if we can do something. I gotta go back now. Go back completely. Okay. I'm gonna charging system is 11 point something. That's no good. I'm gonna escape this one here completely, and I will come to program. But before I go to programming, I have to be sure that I have a very good charging system on. So I'm gonna go check my system now. I will open the hood, but the hood have to be opened 2 times. If you want to open this hood, you're going to do 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the hood will be open. You don't need to click anything. Here it is. I'm going to bring the charger, and I will put the charger here and here, and see if I will get better power. This car have 2 batteries, 1 here, 1 in the back. Stay with us. Got the engine, intake manifold, we have some issue here. It got hit. I'm gonna move the charger from there to the front, and then we come back. Okay, there is no problem, but it looked like the ground jump, or maybe I did not put it in from the beginning. You know what, let me go put it in a place where it's recommended. I don't want to put it in a place then. Let me put this one here and this one here, and I will wait to see. This have to come. This is smart charger. It's supposed to move now. You need to see a little bit of power there, it will move. Position here, I need to be here in a flash, not AGM, GLC. I'm gonna wait again to start going up. Good. Now let's go. If we can do something, if we can at least program the ignition is on. I am here now. I go to programming. Do you have internet? Yes. You see the connection that they say. This one, the red piece, you see here, it have OBD by itself. You have EarthNet connected to, because you don't have EarthNet connector here, so you're going to put another adapter, and this have to be completely there. BMW EarthNet cable, say yes. Now I'm trying to see, I already read the information, the VIN number, everything, but I'm trying to see if I will be able to code and program, individual programming, the central gateway and BDC. And then from there, there is something else we need to activate it. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is going to be part 2. The part 1 is a quick information that we did on the system. If you have already have a working key, when you order the gateway module or the BDC, it will come, and at least as soon as you connect it, you may not get the ignition on, but you will get a door lock, unlock, and you're gonna have some activation. The key information already in there. I'm gonna wait for this. It may take some time. We're gonna wait. By the way, this is a connection again. OBD here. This is another out, and then this one here, the USB have to be direct. You know, this tape, I tape it because every time I use it, it breaks from here. So instead of this gonna move up and down, I just bend it here, tape it here, so that it's just like when you put the people who hang, you know, like in the hospital, they try to put the tape so that the small piece that they try to, or the needle not have to move. This one, I just noticed that I damaged too, because moving it a lot. So now it look like it's okay. So we're gonna wait to see if I will communicating with this module. It take long time, but I will wait. If I'm able to communicate with the BDC, I would like to do one thing: program the BDC and program the the gateway module. After that, see, this is the chassis, the information. You give me everything after. JA53. That's I say okay. Now it will. We are going into the programming mode. Please follow us in the next video.